Hi, welcome back. In this tutorial, let's talk about use effect with dependency array. The dependency array in use effect determine when the effect has to run. The dependency array is specified as a second argument to the use effect. It consists of variables and values that effect has to monitor for changes. When a variable in the dependency undergoes a change, the use effect is triggered. If the dependency array is empty, the effect runs only once, that is when the component is mounted. It is always good practice to specify the dependencies to prevent unnecessary re-execution of the effect. The effect runs only when the listed dependencies in the dependency array has been changed from the last render. We should be very careful in what to include in the dependency array. Avoid referring functions and objects in the dependency array as they can lead to unintended effects due to the reference changes. Use effect without any dependency runs on every render. Use effect with empty dependency runs for the very first time component is mounted. Use effect with props and state as a dependency means if you refer the props or if you refer any of the state variable, whenever the prop changes or state changes,
use effect is going to get run.
here in this example we have a use effect with first name and counter state variable as a dependency. This use effect is going to run whenever the component is mounted for the very first time. Apart, whenever a first name is changed, the use effect is going to get run. Whenever the counter is changed, the use effect is going to get run. From use effect, if you return any function that is considered as the cleanup function. In this case, we are just logging that component is unmounted. Otherwise, we will be performing the cleanup code like unsubscribing, removing the event listeners, etc.